Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, I'm going to show you how to quickly convert a URL into a QR code using Adobe's QR code generator. Let's jump right in. First, open up Chrome. Next, search for Adobe QR code generator by searching into the search bar. Now, click on the first link that appears. Once you're on the website, click on Create Now to start. Here, you can paste your URL. Simply copy and paste it into the provided box. Now, let's choose a style for our QR code. I'll go with this .style. Great choice! Now, let's select a marker border. I'll go with this one. Next, let's choose a marker center. Now, let's choose a color for our QR code. How about blue? Looking good! Now, let's choose the file format. I'll go with JPG. Finally, click on Download to get your QR code. And just like that, your QR code is ready to use. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and happy QR coding!